Here's a question for you. What if I told you there was a tool that could make building machine learning models in Python not only easier, but downright enjoyable? Welcome to the world of scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is like your personal assistant for machine learning. It's an open source Python library designed specifically for tasks like classification, regression, clustering, and more. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of machine learning. It has all the tools you need to get started and scale up your projects. What makes scikit-learn stand out is its simplicity and power. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into data science or an experienced coder looking for a quick way to implement complex algorithms, scikit-learn has you covered. It's built on two foundational libraries, NumPy and SciPy, which handle the heavy lifting of numerical computations and scientific functions. So while you focus on building and testing models, scikit-learn takes care of the math and statistics behind the scenes. The library comes preloaded with everything you need to train and evaluate machine learning models, from decision trees to support vector machines, and even tools for splitting datasets and tuning hyperparameters. Need to pre-process data or evaluate a model's performance? Scikit-learn's got it covered, all with clean, intuitive code that's easy to read and debug. But here's the kicker. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time. Scikit-learn's consistency and modular design mean you can mix and match different algorithms and workflows effortlessly. It's no wonder it's a favorite in the machine learning community. So, ready to take your first step with scikit-learn? It's your ticket to turning raw data into actionable insights. And who doesn't want that? Comment for topics you want us to cover. Watch again if there's parts that you missed.